welcome back sa aking channel. So today guys, for today's vlog guys, we are going to prepare a peach cheesecake. So this is a no-bake cheesecake and the flavor is peach. So we have 825 grams na sliced peaches guys. We also got 150 grams of biscuit. So Marie biscuit. And we have half cup of melted butter, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 1 cup of white sugar. We have 300 ml of thickened cream or whipping cream, and we have 1 cream cheese around 250 grams. This is Philadelphia. And we also got our gelatin. So we are going to use this gelatin. We will add guys half teaspoon of cooking salt, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, and this is for the base guys, and our melted butter. So we are going to add our So this is ready for our freezer guys for 30 minutes, okay? So now guys, i-prepare natin guys ang ating cream cheese. This is 250 grams. One-fourth cup of sugar. Set aside natin guys ang ating cream cheese. Now guys, isusunod natin ang ating whipping cream. Yung gagamitin nating whipping cream guys. Cup na sugar guys. So ito yung ating cream cheese guys. Ilagay na natin ang ating gelatin. Yun ang ating gelatin. Divide natin, guys. Okay. So, ready na ang ating cream cheese. Naset na siya, guys. So, ilagay na natin ang ating cream cheese. Ilagay na natin, guys, ang ating second base back to the fridge, okay? Ito, guys, yung ating peach slice. So, i-blend natin ito, guys. So, i-blend natin siya. Hindi natin isali yung syrup. Magtira lang tayo ng konti, kahit ito siguro slice natin itong puree, guys. I will show you. And ito na yung ating peach puree. So ilagay na natin, guys, ang ating gelatin, tapos yung tayo, guys, ng half cup sa ating peach puree, 1/4 cup of sugar, cover natin ng cling wrap, guys. Tapos, ilagay natin sa ating fridge for 1 hour. Lang ang aking puree, guys. So, guys, this is now our puree. This is around 2 cups of peach puree. Ang dami niya, guys. Ang dami niya, guys. Lagyan na lang natin siya, guys, ng gelatin. So, i-mix na natin, guys. This is our 2 cups of peach puree with sugar yan, guys. We are going to add our gelatin. So, ilagay natin sa fridge, guys, for 3 hours bago natin i-serve. 3 to 4 hours before serving, okay? So, guys, this is now our final product. Our peach cheesecake. So, we are going to put the toppings, guys, okay? For peach topping. So we will add now, guys, our blueberries. So for our toppings, we add blueberries, okay? So so this is now our final product, guys, our no bake peach cheesecake. So if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please do subscribe, hit the notification bell, press all para updated kayo sa susunod ko mga videos, guys. So guys, mag-taste test tayo, guys, okay? My God. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh my goodness. That's our final product, guys. It's our peach cheese cake no bake. Taste tayo ngayon, guys, para makita natin, guys, na masarap ba siya o hindi. So, sHome. Mag-slice tayo ngayon, guys. Mag-taste test tayo ngayon, guys. So, hilaw sa gabing mapanglaw, wangis mo'y ito, guys. Napakasarap, guys. Wow. Look at, guys.
What's in that?
This is pure peach and cream.
Say it again. It's
Puree peach
okay.
with cream.
Yeah.
Then below is the cheese cream.
Okay.
Cream
Yeah.
cheese.
I'll have a slice. Zoom. There we go. What do you want your blanket on?
2
2?
or 3, maybe 3. It's too cold. Just put 3. So guys, perfect ang pagka-slice na, guys. Lagyan natin ng they're falling.